So if you want to enable Siri using your Bose Ultra Open Earbuds, or you want to talk to Siri via the earbuds without touching your phone, it's very simple. So you'd set it up by going to the Bose app, of course. So just launch the Bose app and then open up the Bose Open Earbuds Ultra. And then you want to go to shortcut, tap on that, and then you can choose whether you want to set your Siri on the left earbud or on the right one. Okay, sorry, just triggered Siri. So I'm going to set it on the left button, and the shortcut is basically long pressing on this little button on the barrel of either earbud. So you can see it's currently set to cycle through modes. So I'll change that to access your voice assistant. Now this is going to be your phone's default voice assistant, and since I'm using an iPhone, obviously that's going to be Siri. So now that I've done that, when I'm listening to music, anytime I want to talk to Siri, I'll just go ahead and long press on this button. What's the weather like today? And it's going to give me an answer via the earbuds. What's the weather like today? Exactly. So that's basically how to use Siri on the Bose Ultra Open Earbuds. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.